Hello, everyone. My name is Andrea Villegas. Today, for the discussion post week number 11 about Microsoft PowerPoint, I am going to explain to you three mainly different options that you can do on PowerPoint. Um, so here is basically an overview that about what we are going to see. So the topic number one is how to create and modify tables. Topic number two is how to insert text box and shape. And connected to this topic, we are going to move on to the topic number three, that is how to animate a slideshow. But to connect it with the topic number two, I am going to explain to you how to animate a text box and different shapes that we learn how to create in topic number two. All right. So for start, how to create and modify tables. I am basing this explanation on PowerPoint chapter 3 of the material that we have in class. So here in this slide, we are going to create and modify a table. So basically, the first step is to be on the slide and then go to the upper part and the part that is insert. Then you have the second option that is table. Here you can pick how you want your table, allow the columns and the different rows. For this example, I am going to pick 443 table. So you just need to pick and you click and that's it. You already have your table. You can modify it and add some text. So for example, I'm going to put here name and contact. Once you have your table, the other thing that you can do is to see in this upper part two different options. So you have the table design, that is basically how to manage the design of the table. You can change the color of the table if you want to. And for the other options, you have the layout, that here you are going to actually manage the table. So the most important thing is that you can insert different rows, and also you can insert different columns to the right or to the left. So that is basically how to manage in a very basic way a table. Now, moving on how to insert text box and shapes, you just need to be on the slide and once again, go to the part insert. And here is the options of shapes. You can just pick the shape that you want. I am going to pick a square. So you just need to choose that and just to click, and here you can, and there you already have the shape. And also for the text, so the only thing that you need to pick here is the option that says text box. So you can just add it, and there you can add the text. And okay, so now finally moving on to the third topic, that is how to animate a slideshow. I am going to insert once again the shape, because here we are going to see how to animate a shape. So I am going to insert a square. Then I am going to pick on the square and the object, and I am going to go to animations. And here you have the three main options that are options for appearing, something that you need to, what you want to do for the shape during the process, and then the exit effects. So for adding one, I am going to pick on the object, and I am going to click the animation that I want to, that is appear, and that's it. You already have the animation that you want on your shape. Also, you can add an exit effect, so you can pick the one that you want. I want blind, so you can pick here, and now you can be sure that you have the two effects because you have it in a square part in your object. And then you can double check going into the slideshow, and you can move, and here you can see that the object has already all the animations that we decided to add. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and see you next time.